Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about dreams coming true. Grammy wins. We've all seen the shock, the tears, the speeches that make a winner laugh and cry. But have you ever wondered what's actually going on in someone's brain and body during those insane few minutes? It's like a fireworks show up there, folks. So today, we're diving deep into the science of pure joy. We'll break down the chemical cocktail coursing through those Grammy winners. Let's do this thing. Alright, so someone has just won a Grammy. This is a moment the person has dreamed of, and now it's finally here. The crowd is going wild, the applause is deafening, and the energy in the room is electric. And their name is engraved on a golden gramophone, a symbol of your hard work and talent. First of all, congrats. They deserve to bask in this moment. It's a testament to their dedication and passion. But here's the thing about these peak experiences: they fade. The euphoria doesn't last forever. So how did the winner hold on to that Grammy glow? Well, science says, relive it. Our brains love to re-experience joy. They watch the acceptance speech footage again, feel those emotions as if it's happening all over. Relive those emotions. They tell everyone the story, their barista, their dog walker, that guy they always see at the grocery store. Share the magic, share the joy, celebrate with their people. Let them feel a part of the success. Those friends, family, and collaborators who helped them get there, they deserve to share in this moment too. Gratitude, my friends, is a powerful thing. It amplifies happiness and strengthens bonds. It's like a happiness multiplier. The more they appreciate the good stuff, the better they feel. They reflect on the journey and the milestones achieved. So bottle that Grammy glow, people. Relive it, share it, and let that gratitude flow. Keep the magic alive. Okay, they've ridden the wave of Grammy glory. They've shared it with the world. They're practically radiating gratitude and joy. But then it hits them. Now what? They've reached the mountaintop, my friend. What's next? Well, I'm here to tell you, the journey doesn't end here. Our brains are hardwired to crave novelty and new experiences. So what's a Grammy winner to do? Set new goals. Think outside the box. They need to find something meaningful, something that gets them fired up and excited about the future. Remember, it's not about chasing the same high as that Grammy win. It's about setting their sights on something new and inspiring. So you've won a Grammy, you've set your sights on new horizons, you're basically a rock star. But what comes next? The journey doesn't end here. But you know what's even cooler than achieving your dreams? Helping others achieve theirs. Imagine the impact you can have by sharing your journey. You've got this incredible wealth of knowledge and experience. Years of hard work, dedication, and passion have brought you here. You've been through the ringer, you've learned from the best, and you've come out on top. Now it's time to pass on that wisdom. So, how can you give back? Well, mentorship is a great place to start. It's about guiding the next generation of artists. Find someone who's just starting out in the music industry and offer guidance. Be the mentor you wish you had when you were starting out. Share your story, your struggles, your triumphs. Let them learn from your experiences, both good and bad. And hey, it doesn't have to be all about music. Your influence can extend beyond the studio and the stage. Find a cause that resonates with you and get involved. Whether it's education, health, or social justice, your voice matters. Volunteer your time, donate to a charity, use your platform to raise awareness. Every little bit helps. Giving back isn't just good for the soul, it's good for the brain too. Studies show that helping others can boost your own mental health. So go out there and spread the love, Grammy winner. Your journey of giving back starts now. That's all the time we have for today, folks. It's been an incredible journey exploring the many facets of joy and fulfillment with you. We've talked about the science of joy, setting new goals, and how these can transform our lives in meaningful ways. We also delved into the power of giving back, and how acts of kindness can ripple through our communities. Remember that Grammy Glow isn't just about the trophy, it's a symbol of dedication, hard work, and passion. It's about embracing the journey, chasing your passions, and never giving up on your dreams, and making a difference in the world, no matter how big or small your actions may seem. So, what are you waiting for? The world is your stage. Get out there and make some magic. Create moments that will be remembered. And hey, if you happen to win a Grammy along the way, that's just the cherry on top. Don't forget to invite me to the after party. I'll be there to celebrate with you, host, smiling. Thanks for watching. Your support means the world to us. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Let me know in the comments. What's your dream achievement? What's that one goal you're chasing, and how would you celebrate? See you next time. Keep dreaming big and keep on rocking. Text on screen. Subscribe for more science-backed tips and inspiring stories. Stay tuned for more amazing content.